Want to transform your outdoor space into a sleek, modern oasis? These driveway, patio, and backyard ideas bring style, function, and luxury together effortlessly. From striking hardscapes to clever layouts that maximize space, your yard will feel like a high-end retreat. Check the links in the description to explore each design. Turn your backyard into the ultimate hangout spot. A fire pit lounge lets you gather around a cozy flame while staying comfortable on stylish seating. You can roast marshmallows, enjoy drinks, or just relax with friends and family. Many designs include built-in tables or storage, keeping everything within reach. It's the perfect mix of warmth, style, and social fun for any evening outdoors. Stepping into your space just got a serious upgrade. Floating steps create the illusion that each step is suspended in midair, giving your staircase a clean, modern look. With hidden supports built into the wall, you get strong, stable footing without bulky frames getting in the way. You still walk up like normal, but it feels lighter, almost like you're gliding. It's a simple change that turns an everyday staircase into a standout design feature. Ever wish your driveway or yard could stay green without turning into a muddy mess? Turf grid pavers make it possible. These sturdy grids hold soil and grass in place while letting water drain naturally, so you get a solid surface that still grows greenery. You can park, walk, or play on them without damaging your lawn. They're eco-friendly, reduce erosion, and turn any hard surface into a living, breathable landscape. Give your garden a clean, polished look without the hassle. A black gravel border defines walkways, flower beds, or driveways while keeping soil and mulch in place. You can easily shape it to curves or straight lines, making your outdoor space look neat and intentional. It also prevents weeds from creeping in and improves drainage around plants. Low maintenance and long-lasting, it's a simple way to upgrade any yard instantly. Step up your garden game with a Herringbone Pathway. The zigzag pattern creates a stylish, timeless look that guides you through your yard. You can walk on it confidently, even after rain, thanks to its stable, interlocking design. It keeps grass and soil neatly separated while adding texture and charm. Durable and low maintenance, it turns any ordinary walkway into a standout feature. Turn your backyard into a luxury escape without changing everything. A sheer descent is a sleek water feature that creates a smooth, glass-like sheet of water flowing into your pool or basin. Instead of splashing, it delivers a clean, quiet cascade that looks incredibly satisfying. Built-in lighting can make the water glow at night, adding a dramatic effect. It's an easy way to make your space feel calm, modern, and high-end. Want privacy without making your space feel closed off? This privacy screen with a built-in planter box gives you both coverage and style in one smart setup. Tall panels block unwanted views, while the bottom planter lets you grow greenery for a softer, more natural look. You get shade, separation, and a mini garden all at once. It's perfect for patios, balconies, or backyards that need a little more peace. Step down into comfort like never before. A sunken seating area creates a cozy, lowered lounge space that instantly feels more private and inviting. The recessed design naturally blocks wind and noise, so you can relax without distractions. Built-in seating wraps around you, making it perfect for conversations or gatherings. It turns any outdoor space into a warm, stylish hangout you'll actually want to use. Your outdoor space deserves more than just open sky. A pergola adds structure and style while giving you just the right amount of shade. The open beam design lets sunlight filter through, so you stay bright without feeling exposed. You can hang lights, drapes, or plants to make it your own. It's a simple upgrade that turns any patio into a relaxing, finished space. Not all decks are built the same, and this one proves it. Ipe wood decking is known for its incredible strength and natural resistance to weather, insects, and wear. The dense hardwood surface stays smooth and durable, even in harsh conditions. Its rich, deep color adds a premium look that ages beautifully over time. You get a long-lasting deck that looks high-end without constant upkeep. Rust that actually looks good? That's the whole idea here. A Corten steel planter forms a natural weathered finish that protects the metal while giving it that bold, earthy look. It won't keep corroding like regular steel, so you get durability without the mess. The sturdy build holds everything from flowers to small trees. It's a simple way to add contrast and character to any space. Not every great pathway needs concrete or stone. A decomposed granite pathway gives you a natural, compact surface that feels firm underfoot, but still blends into the landscape. The fine crushed texture locks together, so you get less shifting and fewer weeds over time. It drains well, meaning no puddles after rain. You get a clean, rustic path that looks effortless, but works every day. Light up your evenings without losing style. Patio light poles give your outdoor space a warm, inviting glow while standing tall and elegant. They cast light where you need it, perfect for dining, lounging, or entertaining after dark. Durable materials keep them looking great through all kinds of weather. With just a few poles, you transform your patio into a cozy, usable space anytime. Keep cool without hiding from the sun. Sunshades block harsh rays while still letting light and air through, so your space feels bright and breezy. They can be adjusted, rolled, or fixed to fit patios, decks, or balconies. Durable materials resist fading and wear, making them last season after season. With just a few shades, you get comfort, style, and protection all at once. Why pour a full walkway when you can guide the path instead? A stepping stone pathway lets you move through your space with simple, well-placed stones. Each step feels natural while still keeping your feet clean and dry. You can space them out to fit your stride or design style. It's an easy way to add charm, movement, and structure without overwhelming your yard. Make any wall the centerpiece of your space. A water feature wall turns a flat surface into a flowing cascade, creating soothing sounds and a calming vibe. Water glides smoothly down, adding movement and life without taking up extra room. Built-in reservoirs and pumps keep it low maintenance and continuous. It's a simple upgrade that brings style, relaxation, and a touch of luxury to your home or garden. Thanks for watching! Don't forget to subscribe and check out these next videos for more incredible finds and clever solutions for your home. See you in the next one.